Hi viewers, we want to look at how we can solve WASSCE 2025 question 13a. But before we look at this question, let me take you through some basic properties in circle geometry. Now let us look at this. From this diagram, we can see that an arc AB subtend an angle at C, and that angle there is B. The same arc AB subtend an angle at D, and the angle there is A. From the concept of geometrical circles, angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore, we can deduce that angle A should be equal to angle B. Now, if we look at the same circle, DC is an arc which subtend an angle at B, and the angle there is Y. We can see the same DC subtending an angle at A, and the angle there is what? X. So with the same theory, we can say that X should be equal to Y. Now let us look at this one as well. From this diagram, AB is a chord, and the chord creates an angle at the center of the circle. The same chord creates an angle at the circumference of the circle. We can deduce a property that angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle ADB. With these two properties, we can answer the question on the board. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, we have been asked to find angle AOB and also find angle FAD. Now, if we look at what is on the board, we have been given the angle here to be 30, and if we consider an arc which is DC subtend an angle at B, the same DC here subtend an angle at A. So we can say that if the angle here is 30, the angle here will also be what? 30. So from here we can see that angle FAD should be equal to 30 degrees, and that even answer our II. So FAD equal to 30 degrees. Now let's see how we can find the I. Now if we are able to know the angle here, we can get this angle. So first of all, let's see how we can get this angle. Now when we consider this triangle DFA, we can sum all the angles here and equate it to 180 degrees. So let's see how we can do that. So we can say that our 30 plus 110 degrees plus angle ADB should be equal to 180. Now 30 plus 110 will give us 140 plus angle ADB equal to 180. So our angle ADB will be equal to 180 minus 140. So our angle ADB will be equal to 40. So our angle here is going to be 40. Now with this property that we have here, since the angle is 40 here, we can get the angle at the center. All right, so we are looking for angle AOB. So we say that angle AOB will be equal to 2 times angle ADB with the property that we study here. All right, so we have 2 multiplying angle ADB, and our angle ADB is 40. So we have 40 here. So angle AOB will be equal to 80 degrees. All right, therefore we can conclude that our I, which is angle AOB, will be equal to 80, and II, angle FAD, angle F All right, AD will be equal to 30, and this is how we can answer this question. Don't forget to comment, like, and share to others to enjoy. Thank you.